எவ்வளோம்மா ஒன்று 10 நீங்கள்ல வச்சுக்கோங்க. वो कैसे गिरा तू? स्पीड चलाते समय गिरा नहीं तो? हाँ चलाते समय तो रोकना था ना.
I get some intention like it will go.
So हमारे DOP साहब. Oh, this is prawns, no sir? Yeah. This prawns, sir? Yeah, prawns. Hello there guys, welcome to Dino's World. This is day 4 of our Pulsar Thrillology Ride. We are heading from Bengaluru to Chennai today. This is Vichu, you all know him. And Prakash is getting ready. And the aim is to reach Chennai on time such that we can edit.
Yes.
Lot of videos are pending, so vlog from yesterday has to go in Telugu and English for me, for them in Malayalam. So anyway, so this is the plan, and let's hope everyone is ready and up early. It's already 6:30 a.m. We want to start early such that we can reach early. So हमारे DOP साहब working really hard for the content. We have another DOP, Nirver Singh. और सर आपका भी आईडी बोल दीजिए. हाँ संजीव है. इंस्टा आईडी बोल दीजिए, फॉलो करेंगे. अरे क्या DOP रह के इंस्टा आईडी नहीं रखते क्या? ओके, so good morning folks. We have some urban shots to be taken in the city limits. Let's get going, and then we have close to 400 kilometers to be covered on the go. I'm riding through the garden city on the new Pulsars, but we're looking forward to one amazing ride today as well, hoping that the roads are good. Synchronized riding through the city, not easy with the traffic. That's why we started early, so that we can get some empty roads and shoot easily. So here we have toll even for bikers. It's kind of strange. Usually bikes are exempted. Enta na? Huh? Hello, going out. Okay. One side. To go this way. Well. Look what we found here. Bajaj cute on the Bajaj Pulsar Thrillology Ride. Looks kind of cute. Interesting concept. Seeing it in the flesh for the first time. Okay, finally. Oh my god, look at the traffic jam. Goodness gracious, now we understand why Bengaluru is famous for traffic jam. The bridges are amazing. There's one long bridge that we just crossed. No motovlog there because we were actually shooting tracking shots. Where are these guys? These guys looks like they are coming indeed. Which is also here. So full steam ahead. చాలా క్యూట్గా చాలా బాగా డిజైన్ చేశారు. చాలా రోజులుగా డ్యూ ఉండేది. ఫ్రంట్ నుంచి కూడా చూపిస్తాను మీకు. So Vichu, We came for breakfast with you. What we have? Okay, good photography by sir. Let's go do some pet puja. So some A&B restaurant Adayar Bhavan chala famous ikkada breakfast ki. So let's hope for some really quality food.
Yes.
Two foodies. ఫుడ్ విషయంలో అసలు తగ్గేదే లేదు, కాంప్రమైజ్ అయ్యేదే లేదు.
ट्रैफिक उतना ज़्यादा तो नहीं था, एक जगह पे था अभी वो उधर एक ट्रेनिंग था, वो तो जो सर्विस रोड पे जाते हैं ना उसकी वजह से मेन रोड पे ट्रैफिक हो गया.
This is live vlog happening. This is behind the scenes happening.
और हम 3-4 लोग you know भाई.
Hello my dear machas and machis. Now zoom test.
हाँ. ओह क्या अंदर बैठ जाते क्या? 10 के बाद में डाउन करो और
अभी 20x. This is 20x zoom.
Oh. 100x and let's get inside.
100x, let's get inside. First the plan is to get some fuel and then it's all guns blazing. Officially we've entered Tamil Nadu. We just saw the board. Oh God. Finally found a fuel station to the left. Okay guys, so fueled up, now full steam ahead into Chennai. Ravamma, oh Ravamma, jaliya jimkana, Adamma, Evadamma, jaliya jimkana. ये विच्चू और वो ट्रैकिंग कार पीछे ही है क्या?
हाँ पीछे.
ट्रैकिंग कार भी उसके कुछ शूट कर रहा है ना, तो हो गया उसका.
नहीं हो गया.
वो लोग जाओ बोले ना.
हाँ जाओ बोले.
Coconut water is saving grace. कोकोनट वाटर
बहुत है यहाँ पे. वहाँ लगा देंगे गाड़ी.
हाँ धूप है लेकिन आ जाएंगे वो लोग. कोकोनट वाटर पीता
मैंने बोला कि लेते बोल के बोला.
அண்ணா 2 நிமிஷம் பசங்க வராங்க.
தண்ணியா இல்லாட்டி தேங்காய் சாப்பிட முடியாது?
இல்லை தண்ணி வேணும். வாங்க சொல்கிறீங்களா? எவ்வளோ இது? 10 ரூபாவா? ஒரு செகண்டுங்க அண்ணா, ஒரு செகண்ட். இல்லை பிரகாஷ், ஸ்ட்ரா இருக்கா? எவ்வளோம்மா ஒன்று? 10 நீங்கள்ல. வச்சுக்கோங்க.
मेरा कैमरा गिर गया बोलते मिला.
वो कैसे गिरा? तू स्पीड चलाते समय गिरा नहीं तो? हाँ चलाते समय तो रोकना था ना. पता नहीं चला तेरे को ऐसे कैसे? और ये वायर रहता ना,
वायर वो इतना हेवी है ना कैमरा.
वायर को खींच के चले गया क्या?
I get some intention like it will go. I will look. That is why I said You said it is born
No,
like that.
बहुत निकल गया था वो होल्स थे बीच में. अरे मिल गया ना उसको.
किस्मत कैसा मालूम है, सोचो क्या.
हाँ
मैं 120 पे हूँ,
हाँ.
इधर गिरा बीच में आके. I said it is close. इधर गिरा आके. अगर ये यहाँ नहीं गिरता मेरे को पता भी नहीं चलता. So he got it. Got it. Team up. It fell down here.
Okay, good news. Again, we just announced bad news. Now good news again, announcement.
I won.
With celebration with coconut water.
Yes.
Okay guys, so we've stopped for lunch. The reason is me, because I kind of felt a little dizzy, so I stopped first, and these guys went ahead and stopped for me so that I could catch up with them. But say with you today, all ups and downs, right? First he lost his GoPro, I went up to Kanyakumari, then I felt dizzy. Today all ups and downs, huh?
My GoPro fell down, but again I was lucky enough to get it.
Retrieve.
कई ऐसी जगह पे गिर गया था, मैंने उठा लिया वहाँ से.
And any words of wisdom for rookie riders? Whenever you feel little run down or dizzy, immediately take a break. Don't continue to ride.
And
that is
moreover,
moral of the story.
And अगर आप give it to me. अगर कभी आपको ज़्यादा गर्मी लग रही है, immediately stop. 2 मिनट वेट करो, उसके बाद में पानी वानी पियो. कई बार क्या होता है, पानी में अच्छा लगता है पीने में, लेकिन वो अंदर बहुत कम खराब करता है. ठंडा पानी, ठंडा कुछ भी नहीं पीना. 2 मिनट वेट करो, देन यू ड्रिंक समथिंग. बिकॉज हमने ये एक दिक्कत फेस की है आज, तो इसलिए हम बता रहे हैं.
I think around 90 kilometers from Chennai. So let's keep going, keep rocking. So what we did today was we did start early. I woke up at 5:30. Got these guys ready by 6:30. Everyone was ready, including the camera crew. The only glitch was we had to shoot a lot of riding shots here and there, and pictures on the way, so we couldn't go full steam ahead from the word go, and that's where we got stuck in the afternoon on the middle of the highway, and that kind of hit us hard. All of us are tired. Like for me, it became a little too tiresome. First of all, I went way too ahead straight, not too ahead, but still at least 20-30 kilometers ahead, because I was going full steam ahead and cruising at around 130-140, and I didn't take the left for Chennai. Then I came back and then again hit the highway really hard, 140-145 cruising speeds. After the first service, the bike has become absolutely brilliant. Superb refinement. It has gone through the roof. Performance has improved, so it is easily cruising at around 130-140, and it wants to go further. So if it gets radial tires, it can push itself further. That's the potential of this engine and the chassis. Hey, so Prakash is here. Me and Prakash heading full steam ahead into Chennai. विच्चू कहाँ पे? विच्चू
आ रहे.
हाँ, और वो गाड़ी उसके साथ है. हाँ ठीक है, चलो. Okay, we need to climb the bridge. So we are here in the heart of Chennai, heading to the hotel just few minutes away. So we are heading to the hotel now, riding through the heart of the city, Chennai. Okay, so finally we arrived at the hotel. Seems to be a pretty lavish hotel. Finally, after a horrible day, horrible heat
and horrible pain in back side.
Camera is still on, huh? Camera is still on, energy is still on, huh?
That 33 kilometer also non-stop.
Non-stop.
Everything
Yeah.
non-stop.
Non-stop. Heat also non-stop. But anyway, let's get to the hotel room, get some rest, and get back to work. A lot of videos to edit. Okay, so after a hectic day, finally we're going to enjoy some amazing food. The hotel is accommodation finally very satisfactory. Very refreshing shower now we had. So full of energy to, binge eat now. Attack food. Power play starts now. So guys, we're watching IPL live on big screen while having food.
Yes.
So this is, luxury, enjoying luxury. So you guys can see, Pichu, finally we made it alive today from the burning heat, roasting heat. Okay, now zoom test for camera, and you can see huge screen.
നമ്മൾ ഫുഡ് കഴിക്കാനായിട്ട് വന്നതാണ് ഇവിടെ ഹോട്ടൽ ഒരു രക്ഷയില്ല
Typical foodies, huh?
ടിപ്പിക്കൽ ഫുഡീസ്
Oh, this is prawns, no sir?
Yeah.
Is prawns, sir?
Yeah, prawns.
So prawns, juicy, succulent prawns, smoking hot. It's so tasty just by looking at it. You want to just devour it.